What's up everyone? This video will quickly show you how to upload a video longer than 1 minute to Instagram. This requires you to separate your full-length clip into 1 minute intervals. Since I've already done that for you, you can simply download the 1 minute clips. Go to the Google Drive link that you have in your messages. Click on the link. Once the link opens in Google Drive, download the first minute of your video. Then the second minute of your video. Once they both download to your iPhone, open the Instagram app. Click on the first minute of your video. Then click the button to make it widescreen. Then click the button on the far right. This button allows you to upload multiple videos or pictures to your post. After you click the first minute of your video, click the second minute of your video. Now each video clip will have a 1 and a 2 associated with them. You can also click this button to pick a custom cover for your video. After you share your video, you can now see that you can view the first minute and second minute of your video by swiping. Thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below.